A taxi operator was shot and killed by gunmen in Grapon, Ocho Rios in St. Anne on Tuesday evening. He has been identified as 62-year-old Kendrick Emmanuel Mignot of Warwick Mount, Grey Pond in Ocho Rios. Police reports are that about 8:45 p.m., gunmen boarded Mignot's Toyota Probox posing as passengers and attempt to rob him of his vehicle. It is reported that Mignot resisted and was shot. He was then reportedly forced from the vehicle and shot again, where he stumbled and fell along. Man shot dead in front school children in St. Elizabeth has been identified. Relatives have identified the man who was shot and killed by a gunman while he was picking up his nephews and niece from school near Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth on Tuesday. He is 27-year-old Devar Garhood, otherwise called Bull, a resident and mason of Institution Drive, more popularly called Back Road in Santa Cruz. Garwood, while transporting the children from Park Mountain Primary, was ambushed by a gunman mid-afternoon Tuesday at the intersection of Park Community Entrance and the Santa Cruz to La Covia Main Road. The vehicle in which he and the children were traveling crashed following the shooting. 2 soldiers were shot and injured by gunmen along Maxfield Avenue on Monday. Reports are that the men were traveling along the mentioned roadway and upon reaching the vicinity of Rousseau Road, they were attacked by criminals who opened fire on the vehicle. The gunmen then left the area. The injured men were taken to the hospital.